Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to set a PIN for your Tesla Cybertruck's glove box. This feature adds an extra layer of security, protecting your valuables from opportunistic theft. As of December 2025, this feature is a standard part of Tesla's security suite, fully integrated into the Cybertruck's infotainment system. First, access the settings through your Cybertruck's touchscreen. Navigate to Controls, then Locks, and finally select Glovebox. Alternatively, you can simply search for Glovebox in the Settings menu. This will take you to the PIN setup screen. Make sure your car software is up to date to version 12.5.1 or newer for the best security. On the Glovebox PIN screen, enter a 4-digit numeric code. Choose a PIN that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Avoid common numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. After entering your PIN, you'll be prompted to confirm it. Ensure both entries match to activate the PIN protection. Remember to avoid the most common PINs shown in this data, which could make your glove box vulnerable. Once the PIN is set, you can lock and unlock the glove box by pressing the glove box button on the dashboard. Each time you press it, you'll be prompted to enter your PIN to unlock it. This prevents unauthorized access, even if someone gains entry to the vehicle itself. Remote access to your Cybertruck's glove box is available through the Tesla mobile app, version 4.25 or higher. This feature allows you to unlock the glove box from anywhere, which is particularly useful when you need someone else to retrieve items from your vehicle. Open the Tesla app on your smartphone and navigate to the Vehicle Controls section. Here you can see options for security and remote access features. To unlock the glove box remotely, select the Unlock Glove Box option in the app. This requires authentication through your phone, ensuring secure access. It's perfect for allowing trusted individuals to access items without giving them your PIN. If you forget your glove box PIN, you can reset it directly through the Tesla app. This feature requires an active connection to your vehicle and proper authentication for security. Navigate to the security settings in the app, then choose the Reset Glovebox PIN option. You'll need to authenticate yourself, then create a new 4-digit PIN. This ensures you can always regain access without needing to visit a service center. For added security, the PIN reset process requires an active connection to your Cybertruck and goes through Tesla's authentication system. This prevents unauthorized resets and keeps your vehicle secure. While the Glovebox PIN adds an important layer of security, it's crucial to use strong PINs that are hard to guess. Avoid common sequences like 1, 2, 3, 4, or simple patterns to maximize protection. Remember that this feature relies on the Cybertruck's 12 volts battery for power. The electronic lock needs this battery to function properly. If the battery is drained, manual override may require assistance from Tesla service technicians. The PIN system is designed to deter opportunistic theft during short stops or parking situations. However, it doesn't protect against determined forced entry, such as breaking into the compartment. Always combine this with other security measures for comprehensive protection. Many Cybertruck owners use the Glovebox PIN to secure valuables during short stops, such as at the beach or while running errands. The PIN provides peace of mind when leaving the vehicle unattended. In a real case from New York, thieves targeted a Cybertruck, but the locked glove box protected important documents and electronics inside. This prevented significant losses for the owner. These examples demonstrate how the glove box PIN effectively minimizes potential losses by adding an extra layer of security against theft. By setting a glove box PIN, you're taking a proactive step in securing your valuables in your Tesla Cybertruck. This digital lock provides an additional layer of protection against opportunistic theft, especially during brief stops or parking. Stay updated with Tesla's software updates for the latest security enhancements. Regular over-the-air updates, like v12.5.1, bring improvements such as multi-factor authentication options for remote unlocks, addressing user feedback on vulnerabilities. Keep your PIN confidential and avoid common combinations like 1, 2, 3, 4 for optimal security. Never share your code, and consider changing it periodically for added protection. Consider enabling multi-factor authentication for enhanced protection via the Tesla app. This feature, added in recent updates, requires app confirmation for remote unlocks, providing an extra security layer against unauthorized access. By following these practices, you maximize the security of your Cybertruck's glove box. Thanks for watching.